After taking my door on and off like 90 fucking times, finally got it to open and close perfectly fine. No joke. I had to beat the fucking hinges with a sledgehammer and bend them back straight because everything was bent one way or the other. And the new doors didn't want to get on. I had to cut the old doors off with a grinder and a sawzall just to get them off the vehicle. This thing was tweaked. But she good. The whole door structure all in bend in. Everything is all bent underneath. At least on the structure. And it's cold as fuck right now. I just gotta reassemble all my air intake and couple lines, and she good. And put my light back on. And to everybody in Hawaii asking me why I'm not making moped videos right now, this is on 5-gallon bucket of water that's outside and it's all frozen. No joke, it's fucking cold. Maharaja shoots everybody.